we have completed third chapter. We are going to do chapter number 4. Once again, I would like to remind you that go over all the types of quadrilaterals, revise the properties. In case you have any questions from the last exercise, you can just let me know. For this chapter, chapter number 4, practical geometry, its constructions, we will be only doing the examples. We are not going to do the exercise. We will be doing only examples so that you're familiar with the concept of construction and how construction is done. Last year, you had a chapter where you learned how to construct a triangle. And for the triangle, we required 3 measurements. So there were different criteria that you had based on whether you're given the sides of the triangle or the angles of the triangle. There was one rule in which all 3 sides were given, and then 2 sides and the included angle, and then 2 angles and the included side, and the last one was right angle triangle in which hypotenuse and one of the sides are given. So these were the 4 types that you did last year. These were easier to remember. Now, based on the elements provided to you, the triangle is unique. So for a triangle, you require 3 measurements. In this chapter, this year, we will be doing construction of quadrilaterals. लास्ट ईयर आपने ट्राइंगल्स की कंस्ट्रक्शन की थी, आपने ये वाले 4 रूल्स यूज किए थे. सो अगर if you have to just recall what these mean. So SSS meant 3 sides of the triangle are given. आपको triangle की तीनों sides की length दी हुई है. SAS meant आपको 2 sides दी हुई हैं और included angle दिया हुआ है. And ASA meant that 2 angles दिए हैं और included side दी है. The word included is important. And then RHS means for a right triangle, if you know the hypotenuse and the side out of perpendicular and base, you know one side, then you can use this criteria. So right now we have construction of quadrilateral, and for constructing a quadrilateral, we require a minimum of 5 of its elements. So elements of a quadrilateral are its sides, angles, diagonals. So out of those, there are 4 sides, there are 4 angles, there are 2 diagonals, there are total 8 elements. But what do we require? We require at least 5 of them so that the triangle can be constructed, the quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely. We will be doing these type wise. So the first one here is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Now, when I say that the quadrilateral can be determined unique word हम बोल रहे हैं, वो क्यों बोल रहे हैं? There is one question at the end of your chapter, last exercise, or there is one example right in the beginning, like पहले पेज पे उन्होंने एक एग्जाम्पल लेके एक्सप्लेन किया है कि यूनिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाने के लिए हमें कम से कम 5 एलिमेंट्स की जरूरत क्यों होती है. अगर आपके पास 5 से कम एलिमेंट्स हैं, यू कैन नॉट डिटरमिन द क्वाड्रिलेटरल एज अ यूनिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट उन वैल्यूज के साथ आप मल्टीपल शेप्स बना सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट टाइप इज when you are given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. आपको quadrilateral की 4 sides दी गई हैं और 1 diagonal दी गई है. So based on that, what you have here, example number 1, construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ, QR, RS and PS. These are the 4 sides and PR is given 7 centimeters. So first thing that we do is we would like to draw a rough sketch. हम सबसे पहले कंस्ट्रक्शन करने से पहले हम रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करते हैं. तो सेम चीज हम यहाँ पे भी करेंगे, हम एक रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करेंगे. बट जैसे इन्होंने ये फिगर दी है, हम इस तरह से फिगर नहीं बनाते. आई वुड लाइक यू टू जस्ट नोट डाउन अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स बिफोर यू स्टार्ट. So you can just write down the name of the chapter in the beginning. This is chapter number 4. Practical geometry. And page is 57. So you can just write this down. For construction of a quadrilateral, we require 5 elements and 5 measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. इस word का meaning हम after we complete the chapter, we will come back to it and discuss why this word was used. First type is to construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. So for this, I'm taking example number 1. I'm going to write down whatever is given to me. So I've been given a quadrilateral PQRS to be constructed, in which PQ, QR, RS and PS are given along with PR. So PQ is 4, QR is 6, RS is 5 centimeters, PS is 5.5 centimeters, and then PR is 7 centimeters. So if you observe, the first 4 values are the sides. These are the sides, and the last one here is the diagonal. So we have been given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. अगर हम इसके लिए rough figure draw करते हैं, so I will simply draw a quadrilateral. Let's just draw PQRS. Be careful. You want to write down the names in cyclic order. PQRS. Don't write randomly. गलत हो जाएगा. PQ is 4 centimeters. QR is 6 centimeters, RS is 5 centimeters, and PS is 5.5 centimeters. Doesn't matter whether it looks longer or shorter than the ones I've indicated. So PR, the diagonal, this one is given to me as 7 centimeters. I'm going to move this rough figure and rotate it so that I can actually visualize कि मैंने quadrilateral की construction करनी किस तरह से है. Now इसमें आपके पास advantage है, जब आपके पास 4 sides हैं और एक diagonal है, आपके पास 2 triangles बन रहे हैं. If you can see, there are 2 triangles, एक इधर triangle है और एक इधर triangle है. तो आपको जो construction करनी है वो इस तरह से होगी कि हम diagonal की either side पे, means डायगोनल की एक तरफ एक ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर देंगे और डायगोनल की दूसरी तरफ दूसरा ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर देंगे, एंड कंप्लीट फिगर जो बनेगी वो आपके पास एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बन जाएगा. तो वैसे तो हमारी जो रफ स्केच बनता है वो इस तरह से बनता है, हम इसको मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं सो दैट मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन भी वैसे ही करूं जैसे मेरा रफ स्केच है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू कीप द डायगोनल हॉरिजॉन्टल, the diagonal PR, which is 7 centimeters. I'm going to keep it horizontal, and एक triangle बनाना है इसके ऊपर और एक triangle बनाना है इसके नीचे. तो ऊपर जो triangle बनना है उसको हम ले लेते हैं ये वाला, the one on the left, this one. So this will be PSR, where PS is 5.5 centimeter and RS is 5 centimeters, and the triangle below this will be PQR, where QR is 6 centimeters and PQ is 4 centimeters. So मैंने इस rough sketch को देखकर अपने triangle, अपने quadrilateral की construction करनी है. Let me know if this is clear, like why I did this. आप चाहो तो जो पहला वाला rough sketch है उसी को mind में रख के काम कर सकते हो, or you could do it the second way. I prefer second way, makes it easier to do the construction.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rudra?
And can you explain again?
Okay, so first of all you want to draw the quadrilateral which you want to construct. आपको quadrilateral PQRS construct करना है, तो एक रफ सा quadrilateral बना के बस उसकी measurements लिख दो. तो मैंने PQRS बनाकर उसकी measurements लिख दी. measurements जो दी हैं उसके according बस labeling की है मैंने. PQ was given 4 centimeters, तो मैंने रफ स्केच में लेबल कर दिया. QR 6 centimeters दिया है, वो भी लेबल कर दो. Then RS is 5 centimeters, label it, and then PS is 5.5. Once you've labeled it, there is one more part, PR. PR is the diagonal. तो diagonal draw करके भी आप labeling कर सकते हो इसकी. तो ये rough sketch बन गया. आप चाहो तो construction इसी तरह से कर सकते हो. You can just start this way, just like this, or you can change your quadrilateral this way. ये 2 ऑप्शंस है आपके पास, और ये हम इसलिए बना रहे हैं ताकि जब आप कंस्ट्रक्शन करोगे यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि हाँ वैसी ही फिगर बन रही है जैसा मेरा रफ स्केच था. मैंने रफली जो ड्रॉ किया था वैसी ही फिगर मुझे कंस्ट्रक्शन के बाद नजर आ रही है. सो यू वुड नो कि हाँ आप ठीक काम कर रहे हो. सो राइट नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस ऑप्शन. मैं इस तरह से बिगिन करने वाली हूँ. आई विल ट्राई नाउ इफ आई कैन डू इट live with you in case there is a problem. Sometimes there is a lag in the video. So if there is a problem, then I will share the video that I've already made. So let's try. So first thing you want to do is just keep in mind, I'm going to refer to this figure over here. The figure that I have here, I'm going to follow this. So first thing I want to do is I want to start with my diagonal PR, draw a line segment 7 centimeters in length. So use your ruler and draw a line segment which is 7 centimeters in length. And the name of the diagonal is PR.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going back to the rough sketch again. I'm going to focus on the triangle here on the top. ये triangle बनाना है मैंने. So P से मैंने arc लगानी है 5.5 from P. I will be drawing an arc of radius 5.5 from P and of radius 5 from R. And the two arcs will intersect. That intersection will give me point S. So let's do 5.5 from P. So I would like to use my ruler. Take your compass, open it 5.5 centimeters in radius. And be careful, do not change the radius while you do that. And then place it at P. Above your diagonal, draw an arc. This one is with distance 5.5. The radius is 5.5 centimeters. Just keep letting me know that you have done so that we can move on to the next step.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now from R, you could go back to your rough sketch. From R, check the measurement. From R, we need 5 centimeters radius. So I'm going to open my compass 5 centimeters in radius now and draw an arc from point R. So I'm readjusting the radius now. This will be 5. And now I'm going to draw the arc from point R. Right above the diagonal, make sure you get intersection of the arcs. So this point here, this point is point S, where the intersection of arcs is seen. This point is S. Now use your ruler to join P point with S point and R with S. So you will get a triangle here. So use a ruler and join these, and you can cross-check the measurements. PS was 5.5 centimeters and RS was 5 centimeters. So this is like constructing a triangle with 3 sides.
I'm done.
Now we will do the same on the opposite side. Focus on the opposite side now, below your diagonal. Below your diagonal, you have triangle PQR, this triangle. Now from P, the radius is 4 centimeters. Below your diagonal from P, you need an arc of radius 4 centimeters. And from R, you need an arc of radius 6 centimeters. And when you draw these two arcs, there will be a point of intersection. That point will be point Q. And then you can complete the triangle below the diagonal. And that will give you your required quadrilateral. So from P, 4 centimeters. So I'm going to open the compass 4 centimeters in radius now. And I'm going to draw an arc from point P below my diagonal. This was from P here. By opening the compass, 4 centimeters.
मैम P से रेडियस
P से, yes, it's from P. I've actually drawn this this here. If I change this, this is going to like erase everything else. I'm just going to let it be. The one I have drawn here, this was by mistake here. So this is the arc that's correct here, the one below, and you can just check. Okay. If you have done from P with radius 4 centimeters, now check from R. From R, we need 6 centimeters. Is that correct? Below your diagonal. You can go to the rough sketch again and see. I have like done so much of mess here. I would like to just erase this. Okay. You can see now from R, we need 6 centimeters. So that's what I'm going to do here. Open your compass 6 centimeters in radius. And now draw an arc from point R. And you will get intersection of arcs again. This intersection gives you point Q. Use your ruler and join P with Q and Q with R. And you can write down the measurements. PQ should be 4 centimeters. QR should be 6 centimeters. And then you can write down PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone with any questions here? Let's just go over one video which I had made, and you can. So this will be just a revision of steps what we did. We started with the diagonal, 7 centimeters. Name your diagonal. Be careful to name all the points, all the line segments, and write down their measures side by side. If you are drawing an angle, write down its measure. So whatever you're doing, please keep indicating it side by side. And then I want to construct the triangles on top and bottom. And it's your choice. You can do the one on top first, the one below first. So here I am doing the one below. So from P, an arc of radius 4 centimeters. And then from R, this is what we did afterwards. Like this was our second step. So from R, we have to now draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. So now you can see like right here, the arcs were not intersecting. Like if you observe, the arcs are not intersecting. So I had to readjust. I had to readjust the arc which is shorter from P. जो P से ड्रॉ की थी वो शॉर्ट है, तो उसको हम एक्सटेंड करने वाले हैं. एक्सटेंड करने के लिए जो P से रेडियस लिया था, वापस उतना रेडियस ओपन करके आपको आर्क दोबारा ड्रॉ करनी है. And make sure your pencil is sharp enough, you have precise measurements so that your construction is clear. So you draw an arc again, and now you have the intersection. This is important, otherwise you will not get the point. And once you have the point, you will join the point to the end points of your diagonal. And then you obtain a triangle. The point below which we used here is point Q. And now you can write down the measurements which were PQ is 4. Do cross check with the ruler that the measurements are as given. In case they don't, you can just readjust, you can erase and draw again. Now we are going to construct the triangle on top. And if you look at your rough sketch, from P you need 5.5 centimeters. And from R you need 5 centimeters. So one by one we will draw arcs. So from point R, we have 5 centimeters above the diagonal. So this time I've drawn a longer arc so that I don't have to redo this. And then from point P, I need radius 5.5 centimeters. Draw an arc, obtain the intersection. This will give you the fourth vertex, which is S. You join this with the endpoints of the diagonal and you obtain the quadrilateral. And write down the measurements as given. ES is 5.5 and RS is 5 centimeters. And this gives you the quadrilateral that you want to construct. I hope it's clear to everyone. The second type that we have is to construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Now what they have done is, earlier we had 4 sides and 1 diagonal. पहले हमारे पास 4 sides थी और 1 diagonal थी. उन्होंने diagonal increase कर दी. We are now being given 2 diagonals and side एक reduce कर दी. 4 की जगह पे अब हमें 3 sides दे रहे हैं. Example number 2 is on page number 61 of your textbooks. Let's take a look here. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which BC, AD, and CD are as given, and the diagonals are also given to you. Now you have 2 diagonals and 3 sides. If I had to draw a rough sketch, I would simply draw a quadrilateral ABCD, 4-sided figure ABCD, and then I would be writing down the measures of the sides. So AB is not given. If you look at the example, AB is not given to me. Other than that, I have the remaining 3 sides. BC is 4.5 centimeters. CD is 5 centimeters. And then AD is 5.5 centimeters. Along with that, I have been given the diagonals. Diagonal AC, the length is 5.5 centimeters. And I have the diagonal BD. And for this diagonal, the length is 7 centimeters. Just like my previous question, I'm going to readjust this sketch so that I can construct the quadrilateral properly. So let's write down in the notebooks. First of all, I'm going to write down whatever is given to me. I have been given to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Write down whatever is given to you. You have been given BC AD, CD, and you have been given AC and BD. 5 elements. Out of these 5 elements, the first 3 are your sides and the last 2 are the diagonals. So these 2 are your diagonals and these are the 3 sides. And if I had to roughly draw this, you can just draw a rough sketch, like just to see how the figure would be. So A, B, C, D I have drawn. Maybe the measures are incorrect, but I'm just giving a representation, so it doesn't matter. This is AD is 5.5. This is supposed to be the longest, but it appears to be the shortest here. And then the 2 diagonals, diagonal AC, which is 5.5 centimeters, and then the other diagonal, diagonal BD, which is 7 centimeters. I'm going to draw the quadrilateral again, the rough sketch. मैं दोबारा रफ स्केच बनाऊंगी जैसे मैंने कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू डू द कंस्ट्रक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू कीप वन ऑफ द डायगोनल्स हॉरिजॉन्टल. एक डायगोनल को मैं हॉरिजॉन्टली ड्रॉ करने वाली हूं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट विद द डायगोनल AC, जिसकी लेंथ 5.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है, और इसके अकॉर्डिंग आप बाकी ड्रॉ कर लो. सो ऑन दिस साइड यू विल हैव point D. AD is 5.5, CD is 5, and below you will have point B, and this is 4.5. This time I don't have this side. Instead, I have the diagonal BD 7 centimeters. This is how I'm going to use the rough sketch for my construction. Construction मैंने इसको देख के करनी है कि कौन से पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस दूसरे पॉइंट तक कितना है. This should just help me understand. Shall we begin?
Please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Can you please show once what was written in type 2?
Yeah, here.
Thank you, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
So keeping this rough sketch in mind, I will first of all start with this horizontal line segment AC 5.5 centimeters. And now I'm going to construct the triangle on top. You can refer to your rough sketch on the top of your diagonal above. So from A, from point A, we need radius 5.5 centimeters. So draw an arc with radius 5.5 centimeters from point A above the diagonal. So I'm going to open the compass 5.5 centimeters in radius. and draw an arc above the diagonal. This is from point A with radius 5.5 centimeters. And now from point C, please check. Can anyone tell me what will be the radius from point C on the above side?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Let's open the compass 5 centimeters in radius and then draw an arc. And you obtain point of intersection. This point of intersection will be point D, and then you can use your ruler to join points A with D and C with D. So line segment AD and line segment CD. Write down the measurements. AD was 5.5 centimeters and CD was 5 centimeters. Shall we do the next step? I would like to go back to the rough sketch. I want to now obtain this triangle on the bottom side below your diagonal. And to obtain this triangle, what I have this distance. Now please observe carefully. For obtaining the triangle below your diagonal, what do we have? What are we going to use? We will be using this distance from point C, 4.5 centimeters. And since A से distance नहीं दिया हुआ, तो हम A से कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Instead, I will be using this. From point D, 7 centimeters. So एक आर्क लगेगी D point से 7 centimeters open करके, और एक आर्क लगेगी C से 4.5 centimeters open करके. And उनकी intersection जहां पे होगी, that will be point B. Let me know if you follow. Okay. Let's open the compass, 4.5 centimeters. I'm going to draw an arc from point C below the diagonal. And then the second arc will be from point D this time. And it will be of radius 7 centimeters, the length of the other diagonal that I have. From point D, open your compass 7 centimeters and draw an arc. So from point D, an arc to intersect this one. The red arc was obtained from here, point C, as you can see. There is a red dot here. So this was obtained from point C. The green one is obtained from D. The distance from D is 7 centimeters. The point of intersection can be named as the fourth vertex. We have ADC, the fourth one is B. And now use your ruler to join B with C, the line segment BC, and the line segment AB. And this completes your quadrilateral, and you can now draw the diagonal also, which we had drawn or given in the rough sketch. I'm going to write down the measurements. The measurement of BC is 4.5 centimeters and the measurement of this diagonal is 7 centimeters. And then you can write down ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Is it done? Let me know if it is done. Anyone who's doing it?
Please wait.
Sure.
Done, ma'am.
All right. And I think your time is almost up. I'll share the video for these two in the group so that you can watch and see it in case you missed any of the steps. We will continue the work next week. God bless you all.